all, welcome to my YouTube channel Education Tech and Entertainment. Please subscribe this channel English with Roshan Yadav. Like, share and comment. We will discuss some English information and about how we can introduce ourselves. So today's topic is that introducing yourself. So why we need to introduce ourselves, or what is the importance of introducing? In everywhere, anywhere you go in your life, you will need to introduce yourself properly. Introduction defines your value and what you are. So introduction is needed everywhere in your life. So what's the better technique and how we can improve our introducing skill, or how we can introduce ourselves in a better way? So let's learn. So a better introduction is needed in interviews, any kind of interview you face, like in college, like in your placement, like in your job interview. So you first of all they ask you about, tell me about yourself. So there you need to be very better in your introduction. So like if you go to give stage performance in school, college, or at your job place, you do some kind of things. So you need to introduce yourself, means to you have to make sure that who are you. So there are various kind of introduction, like as a student you do introduction, as a professional, like in your job, when you go for interviews you need to introduce yourself, and many more way you have to introduce. So we will learn how today that how we can introduce ourselves in a proper way. So introduction is needed, and we will learn how to introduce ourselves in anywhere, in any situation. So how to introduce ourselves? Be unique means to say that if you want to give a better introduction, so be unique. Don't tell like people say I am this and my name is this. So unique means you have to be very different style, like just don't tell your name only, use why it's your name or story behind me, make it interesting. Like if you just tell only my names and you are going in a story, like, so it will be not very impressive to another person who is listening your introduction. So like example, my name is Roshan, so I will say I am Roshan, wherever I go I spread light, and my name was suggested by one of my uncle. Means to say I told about what is my name of meaning, and I told a story behind that my uncle has suggested that. In a conversation you need to be give reason about your name. So it's the unique thing we can do. So what are the tips we will see? So first tip, like how we will start our introduction. So our introduction should not be that much long, it should be short and it should be self-centered. It means that you have to tell many more things about yourself only. Tell about yourself, start with like name, age, place, and what are you doing, what are you pursuing, your qualification. In middle when we come, so let's you have to tell about your family as well, how many people are there, and what is your sibling name. So tell them less, like my father is this and my mother is that. So then you have to tell what are your siblings, and who are your siblings, how many siblings you have. Tell I have two siblings, one brother, one sister, finish. Means to say that you have to tell less about your family, more about yourself. So where are you, or from where are you, and what is your favorite color, food, etc. In middle you can tell that your address, or from where you come, and that the thing you can do in your middle of introduction. So let's come to telling about your hobbies. Means when you come to in middle of your introduction, then what you have to tell, you have to tell about hobbies. What do you like in free time? Hobbies like you do something, read book, you play something. So if you tell your hobbies, so be honest, a good hobby which you do will well. For example, like singing, you can do better singing, or you can, like people say what's your hobby, then they were asked you to perform that, like singing, acting, reading novel books. If you read novel books, so they will ask what kind of novel books you read. So means it's your hobby reading. So any kind of sports are also hobby, like you don't have career if you are not making career, but it was your kind of hobby, you played and you played well. So we ready to answer question related to your hobby. Like if you read novels, then tell what kind of novel you read and mention writer name and some of novels that you read. Your hobby must be helpful, like watching TV or listening music is not useful hobby, means you can't make it professional. Like hobbies should be like that. You are, if you are telling someone, that should be very useful. Painting, crafting, and any kind of sports, that are the hobbies which are useful in your future. So that kind of hobbies you can tell anybody in your introduction in a better way. Let's come to closing, or how you will give your career introduction. Like in last we have to tell what we want to do, or in generally we say I want to become this, I want to do this. So now in closing, or now in your career objective, what will you say? When it comes to closing of your introduction or wrapping up, then tell what is your aim and goal. Yes, you have to tell your aim. Tell your career objective, that what do you want to become in your future. Like you want to be a government officer, engineer, etc. Like I want to become a engineer. I want to become IS officer. I want to become a professor. So these kind of thing you can tell in your closing sentence. Like in your last of introduction, you have to tell your career objective, career goal, what will you do in your future. Be sure about your career objectives, as in many interviews you will see that you need to tell your career objective as according to the companies, because they ask that in future what you will do. So it means they will judge you by your future objective, future careers. So let's come see some example how you can give introduction. So example of introduction, let me introduce myself. Like hello, I am Nicholas, and you have told your name. Now you have to tell from where you are, your age, and how much family are in your family, how much people are in your family. Like you live with your uh, wife and children, if in professional. Like you, what is your favorite things about yourself, that what do you want to become. Or you have to tell your hobby. ha- then you have to tell what's your uh, qualities, and then you have to say what do you want to become. Let's see the key points of introduction. We are wrapping up this, like what we have to focus on in our any kind of introduction. Be unique, introduce yourself with your name, age, and qualification. Summarize your professional standing. The first sentence of your self introduction should include your name and job title, or what do you do. If you are a student, so you have to say that I am pursuing some kind of course or in your college. So make sure you are true, or tell up more about yourself only. Means to say, don't say false things like I do this, but you don't do. Tell about what you do and what is your thing which you want to do. So elaborate on your experience and achievement, like what you have done and what are your achievement. So thank you guys, this was the tips, and I wanted to show you that how you can introduce yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe this channel for more informative and educational videos. We will learn many things, English and many more things in future. Thank you for watching this video. This was to boost your introduction skill. Thank you so much.